Contrary to what you might think, tired, busy guys like us in our 40s and 50s can get back in shape pretty easily. And we can still lose the belly, we can still look great in work clothes and out of clothes on vacation. We can regain lost drive and energy too, and it doesn't require any hardcore workout program, elaborate diet plan, or necking a ton of pricey supplements either. Now, I know it can easily feel like our best days are behind us because we're gaining weight, we're losing muscle very easily these days, and we don't really like how we look and feel, and we also feel tired and out of shape and just very far away from the fitness and body shape that we'd like to have. However, if you can just balance 3 key hormones in your 40s and 50s, and those are testosterone, cortisol, and estrogen, then we can turn things around. So in this short video, I just wanted to share with you how to optimize those 3 hormones starting today. You see, as a 48-year-old dad of 3, trying to look after myself, and now having coached hundreds of guys in their 40s and 50s in person and online over the last 15 years, I know how crucial this hormonal balance is for helping guys like us to thrive as we get older. So I want to now give you 3 quick and easy tips for balancing these 3 key hormones. But if you want to understand how to boost your testosterone naturally as you get a little bit older, I do go into more detail in the testosterone masterclass video that I've put together. You can watch that free via the link below. But here are those 3 ways to balance your big 3 hormones starting today. Number 1, get more deep sleep. We need this for healthy, natural testosterone production. The more recovery time that we get, the higher our testosterone will be. Plus, deep sleep keeps our cortisol levels, our stress hormones low. That allows us to lose weight when we try. So try and stay active during the day. Keep your phone well away from the bedroom at night and supplement with a little bit of magnesium, and you will find you sleep a lot more deeply and boost your testosterone. Tip number 2, limit alcohol. Listen, as a proud Irishman, I'm hardly going to tell you to become teetotal, but here's the thing, too much booze each week leads to high estrogen, our female hormone, and that causes us not just to gain weight across our bellies, but also chests and hips too. That also lowers our natural testosterone production. So by all means, have some alcohol, but make it a weekend thing and think quality rather than quantity. So treat yourself to some fancy stuff. And then finally, tip number 3, include some resistance training each and every week. If you can give your muscles a reason to stick around, that stops muscle wastage as we get older, but it also sends a very powerful signal to your body to produce more testosterone to cope with the challenges that you're putting on yourself in the gym. If you can nail those 3 lifestyle habits, I swear your body and life will be transformed. Now, go ahead and check out the full testosterone masterclass video below so you can really understand how to optimize your testosterone as you get older. You can lose 1 or 2 pounds a week on any decent diet or gain strength and muscle on any appropriate workout program too, while also regaining the lost energy, drive, and motivation you've been experiencing over the last 2 years. It's completely free. You can do this. Let's start taking back control now of what's going on with our bodies. Go ahead and watch the free testosterone masterclass training. But take care of yourself, mate.